Hello oud lovers and fragrance enthusiasts. Today we are going to be doing a short review of the oud gun or oud hairdryer. It's something that you guys have commented on and wanting to know a little bit more about, so I thought I'd do a quick little review of it. It's a fairly practical gadget for burning oud or burning bahor. It's far more practical than obviously using a madkhan when you're fumigating yourself. It's very good for when you want to fumigate your hair and hard to reach places like underneath your armpits and stuff like this. And yeah, it's practical in that sense. It's a little bit fiddly when it comes to putting the stuff in, but you take off the top here and it's got a little tiny little hole there where you put the bahor or the oud in there, and you just put it back in. And once you get used to actually using it, it's not that fiddly in my opinion. It's battery charged, but all in all a pretty decent product. You get some tweezers with it, and yeah, it's something that I might actually sell on my website. Anyway, with that being said, have a nice day guys. Bye bye.